When the judge becomes Karen in court, Karens get owned. We all know that a Karen is a person who exhibits entitled behavior, demanding to speak to the manager and causing scenes over trivial matters. But what happens when a judge, who is supposed to be impartial and fair, suddenly becomes a Karen in the courtroom? Throughout this video, we'll delve into shocking real-life cases where judges momentarily let their inner Karen take the spotlight. We'll witness jaw-dropping moments when attorneys and litigants are left dumbfounded, trying to navigate this unexpected twist in the courtroom drama. In Newark, New Jersey, a divorce hearing took place with Benjamin Taylor and his attorney, Yvette Ramos Alvarez, present on the left side of the courtroom.
Kolsky comes back after everything was finished except for the Social Security earning statements, which he doesn't have.
He gets his Social Security every year indicating.
The earning statement.
He gets his earning statement.
Okay.
He gets it. He gets it every year. So she asked for it. Why didn't he provide it?
He doesn't have it.
He threw it away?
I would presume he did.
Oh, come on.
The purpose of their presence was to establish Benjamin's total yearly income, with a requested copy of his Social Security earning statement. However, upon completion of the proceedings, it was discovered that Benjamin did not have the requested document. It appeared that he had thrown it away. Benjamin's wife's attorney questioned why he had not provided the Social Security earning statement, as it is typically sent to individuals annually. It was clear that the judge, Judge Convery, was skeptical of Benjamin's claim and his attorney's defense. To settle the matter swiftly, the judge decided to conduct a courtroom poll, asking everyone present if they received their Social Security earning statement. The judge believed that everyone would affirm their receipt of the document. However, Attorney Alvarez disagreed with the judge's assumption based on her own personal experience. She stated that she had not received her Social Security earning statement for the past 3 years, despite having received it 4 years ago.
I don't get it. They sent it to my home 4 years ago. I haven't received it in the last.
Her response caught the judge off guard, and in a moment of frustration, he made a derogatory comment questioning Alvarez's legal status. The judge immediately recognized his mistake and tried to retract his statement, claiming it was inappropriate. Following the incident, Alvarez filed a misconduct complaint against Judge Convery. This complaint, along with other public grievances, led to a public reprimand issued by the New Jersey Supreme Court. The judge's remark and subsequent reprimand would have a lasting impact on his career and reputation.
Judge, I am going to. That was a totally inappropriate comment.
I didn't mean it. I'm only. Listen to me.
Amber Rocco, a woman filled with deep regret for the consequences she now faces, is labeled as nothing but yet another racist carrot by herself. According to her, she insists that she did nothing wrong and that the situation spiraled out of control when she went to pick up a pizza. Today, Amber spent a brief period before the judge, only to discover that she would have to return to court at the end of the month for further proceedings.
Rocco said she did absolutely nothing wrong. She had just gone to pick up a pizza when everything spiraled out of control. Amber Rocco spent a short amount of time before the judge today. She found out she'll have to return to court at the end of the month.
After leaving the courtroom, Amber took the opportunity to share her side of the story. She maintained her innocence, asserting that she had been wrongly accused of racism.
When she left the courtroom, she stopped to give her side of the story.
I'm hoping for the best because it really got blown out of proportion. I got called a racist when I'm not a racist.
According to her account, the incident began as a parking dispute, during which Amber alleges that Kayshawn Goodyear Robertson's boyfriend was slapped and spat upon by her. Amber claimed that she started recording the altercation when Kayshawn began screaming and using racial slurs.
Robertson says it started as a parking dispute, that Rocco slapped and spit on Keyshawn Goodyear, Robertson's boyfriend. She started recording Rocco screaming, using the N-word, and holding an.
During her public statement, Amber expressed regret for using racial slurs in the recording, stating that she deeply and genuinely regretted uttering those words. She emphasized that she had never used such language before and vowed to never use it again. Amber also mentioned that she believed someone from Keyshawn's vehicle had slapped her, presenting herself as a victim in the case. She argued that she had merely defended herself as a human being, and the situation had been blown out of proportion.
I do 100% from the bottom of my heart regret saying that word. I've never in my life used that word. I have a very mixed family and I love them. I love everybody equally. I would never use that word ever again. It takes a deep amount of rage for anybody to have to say something like that. But again, he put his hand on me. And because of that, I have a blood blister behind my ear because of the amount of rage that he took upon himself and hit me. So I can't tell you anymore because I went into Domino's to get my pizza, and when I came back out, they freaked out and was accusing me of screaming when it had nothing to do with them in the first place. Nothing.
As the case progresses, it remains to be seen how the court will evaluate the evidence and testimony provided by both parties. Amber's apology for using racial slurs in the recording may have an impact on the outcome of the proceedings. However, Keyshawn Goodyear Robertson's side of the story and any evidence presented will also be crucial in determining the course of the legal process.
After I had come out and walked around the passenger side of my vehicle and handed my husband the pizza, and when I went to get into the driver's side of my vehicle, that's when they verbally started attacking me.
So you're saying their verbal attack on you, what you're characterizing as that was unprompted by anything on your end? Like you just were getting in the car?
I was just getting in the car.
Okay.
And that's what started it.
Assaulted you,
Yes.
is what you're saying.
Yes, he was calling me a crackhead and a meth head. I'm like, really? Does this look like meth? And I held up a 6-ounce jelly jar full of marijuana, and I said, do I look like I smoke crack? And I shook it. I said, this is marijuana. I said, I'm a medical marijuana holder.
Okay.
As soon as I walked out and went to get in the driver's side of my vehicle, they had already started accusing me of yelling. Who was I yelling at? My husband and I were having a conversation when I got out of my vehicle. I wasn't talking to anybody except for my husband. So I don't understand. Who was I talking to but my husband?
Were you yelling at your husband?
No, we were having a casual, nice conversation.
Okay.
I closed my door, I went inside, got my pizza, I went to get back in my vehicle, and from there it got sideways.
If you found this video entertaining and thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We love hearing your thoughts and comments, so let us know down below which moment in today's video shocked you the most.